तो मिलते हैं आज के मजनू से। नहीं, ये लैला मजनू वाला मजनू नहीं है, ये है आईपी मैट वाला मजनू, जो सब करेगा। टाइम टेबल बनाएगा, मोटिवेशनल रील्स देखेगा, हाइलाइटर खरीदेगा, बस पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा। अरे भाई, क्या हो गया तुम्हें? क्यों रो रहे हो?
भैया, अरिजीत सिंह रिटायर हो गया।
गाना सुनाना उसका एक।
चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे।
वेरी गुड। बस 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 बस, ये तो तुम्हें याद है। तुम्हें ये याद है कभी तुमने वर्ड पार में एडीसी किताब खोली है?
हाँ जी।
उसमें कितने सेशंस होते हैं?
भैया 23।
आर यू श्योर?
हाँ भैया।
वेरी गुड।
अरिजीत सिंह रिटायर हो गया।
पढ़ाई वढ़ाई हो नहीं रही इस आदमी से, गाने सुन लो तुम।
भैया, मैंने ना आज 164 रन मारे हैं।
देखिए इसको, या सॉफ्ट बॉल से रन मार के खुश हो रहा है और मॉक्स में इसके मार्क्स आ नहीं रहे हैं।
मंगलम भगवान विष्णु, मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजा, मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षं।
अरे पंडित जी,
खुश रहो बेटा, खुश रहो, खुश रहो।
पंडित जी हाथ देख के बताएंगे आईपी मैट निकलेगा या नहीं निकलेगा?
आपके हाथों की रेखा देखकर मैं बता तो सकता हूँ।
रेखा तो अमिताभ की है ना?
नहीं, वो जया है।
अरे वही।
योग तो है आईएम जाने का,
यस।
लेकिन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन बहुत प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है। आज का काम कल करूंगा, कल का काम कभी नहीं करूंगा, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? ऐसे तो नहीं हो पाएगा, ठीक है?
पंडित जी आप ऐसा कीजिए, आप ये दक्षिणा रखिए और मुझे जाने दीजिए।
इतनी दक्षिणा में तुम्हारा भला तो नहीं, पर सर्वनाश जरूर हो जाएगा।
भैया, आईएम का योग तो बन रखा है, लेकिन राहु केतु ने परेशान कर रखा है।
आपको सच्ची में जाना है?
जी भैया, मुझे जाना है।
क्या आपने उसके लिए कंसिस्टेंट होकर पढ़ाई करी?
नहीं भैया।
क्या आपने उसके लिए रत्ती भर भी पढ़ाई करी?
नहीं भैया।
अब आप पढ़ेंगे नहीं तो ऐसे कैसे चलेगा?
पर भैया मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि मतलब क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है। एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे हो, एक प्लान हो कि उस हिसाब से मैं फॉलो तो करूं।
अगर मैं आपकी वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देता हूं तो डू यू प्रॉमिस टू देन बी कंसिस्टेंट?
यस भैया।
डू यू प्रॉमिस टू डू ऑल दैट इट टेक्स टू गेट इनटू एन आईआईएम?
यस भैया।
इफ दैट इज द केस देन आई हैव अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। आप यहां से जाइए, मैं सबको वो सॉल्यूशन बताता हूं।
ओके भैया।
We have been running SIPM for the last 5 years with only one goal in our mind, that is to make sure our students get into the best of the best IIMs of this country right after 12th. This also reflects in our results because we have more than 1100 IIM selections in the last 5 years, including 52 selections in IIM Indore last year itself. All of this has been possible only because we have razor-sharp focus on only and only one thing, that is IP Math. Keeping this in mind, we are starting our IPM 2027 Elevate batch in both online and offline format from 15th of March. You will have 4 live classes in a week. For online batch, it is going to be on weekdays. For offline batch, it is going to be on weekends. We are starting it right now because now is an ideal time for you to be preparing for your IPM 2027 examination. With the increasing competition and also increasing awareness, we have seen that students are now starting to prepare for this examination much earlier than before. It makes more sense now that IIM Bangalore is also having their examination before the boards. So you have an examination in December for which you will have to prepare. You will also have your board examinations lined up, and then you will ultimately have your IP Math exam in the month of May. To make sure that you are preparing for all these examinations while also not hampering your boards prep, it makes sense that you start from now and spend the next 6-7 months of time to cover your syllabus at least once, then focus on your boards, then come back to IP Math and make sure that you're revising everything once again and giving the exam the due importance that it deserves. Now, you might think that ठीक है, आप ये बोल रहे हैं कि अभी से पढ़ना है, but अभी से तो मैं YouTube पे भी जाके पढ़ सकता हूँ, which completely makes sense. In this day and age, especially in the age of AI, you have plenty of content available on YouTube, Telegram, Reddit, so on and so forth. But all of this content is not available in a very structured format. IPM as an examination is small, the content available for that is sparse, so people usually refer to videos which are available for CAT or JEE. In that case, for you to figure out क्या पढ़ना है, कितना पढ़ना है, what is relevant, what is not relevant, किस चीज़ में कितने डेप्थ में जाना है, कौन सी चीज़ कवर करनी है, नहीं करनी है, is a task in itself, which takes time. For people, especially you, who might be a first-time entrance preparation, aspirant, it may be difficult and overwhelming for you to do all of this thing whilst also preparing for your entrances and also preparing for your board examination. This, in a way, becomes a friction point, which is why a lot of people get overwhelmed and stop their preparation altogether, which defeats the purpose of you starting early. So, keeping in mind कि आपके साथ ये सारी चीजें ना हो, you get all the content in a very structured format available and make sure that your preparation journey is done in the most efficient manner possible. We have our courses available. In our particular course, there are certain expectations that you can have from us, and there are also certain expectations that we as an institute have from you. What can you expect from us? you can expect that you will get 300 hours plus highly engaging conceptual lectures available in the recorded format. Now, these lectures are created keeping in mind that somebody like me who's a non-math student is also able to understand all the topics even if I did not study them in 11th or 12th. These lectures are not very long in a way that एक 2 घंटे का अगर लेक्चर है तो मैं उसे आपको 2 घंटे में डिलीवर करने की जगह I will rather deliver it into 10-minute videos or 12 videos of 10 minutes each, and that is how our approach is like. During these videos, between these videos, we also have lecture-based quizzes available to make sure कि आपका सिर्फ learning वाला part नहीं हो रहा है, application is also being taken care of. After this, you can also expect us to have equally engaging live classes throughout your week. You will have 4 live classes in total, both in the online as well as offline batch. The offline batch is available in Sector 2 Noida. If in case you are living in Delhi NCR, you can definitely visit us to explore that as an option as well. But even if you are taking the online batch, you have these highly engaging live classes available, wherein we make sure कि जो भी आपने concept पढ़ा है in the recorded lectures, हम उसे further perfect कर रहे हैं, making sure that we are preparing you for the actual exam on the D-Day. So all of that is being taken care of. इसके बाद you can also expect from us to deliver very relevant material for you to practice for IPMAT in multiple formats. You have questions available on our online portal in form of topic test, daily tasks, weekly tasks. You also have questions available in the 80 plus mock tests that we will have for all the IPMAT as well as similar DBA examinations. We will also have questions available, the foundational questions available in the 20 plus booklets that are delivered to your doorstep, which contain 6,000 plus questions as well as sectional test, practice test, and also the conceptual builder books. So all of that is being taken care of with respect to your IPMAT preparation journey. Of course, जब आप इतनी preparation करोगे, you will also have certain doubts and queries coming up. You can expect us to be there to support you and solve all those questions as well. For doubt solving, we have a 24/7 doubt solving group available on WhatsApp, wherein you can post any academic query that you might have. We have a team of 10 plus academic experts who are there to assist you with every single doubt that comes, and our usual turnaround time as of now is about 2 hours. In 2 hours of time, you will have a solution available for any question that you have. On an average, we solve 70 plus doubts every single day, and we have no problem even if you're sending much more. We will be more than happy to assist you with all those doubts as well. Of course, academic doubts आते हैं, but there are also certain non-academic doubts that need to be addressed. In terms of non-academic doubt, you might feel like you are stuck in your preparation. शायद आपको strategy में कुछ improvisation करना है, शायद आपका कुछ backlog बन रहा है, and you need to connect with somebody to discuss those questions personally. At ACE-IPM, you have that as an option available because we allow you to connect with your seniors who are currently in one of these IIMs one-on-one over a Zoom video call, wherein you can clarify all your non-academic doubts that you have and get, a proper solution then and there in a very personalized manner. So that as an option is available as a part of the course, and we do not charge you anything extra for that. इसके अलावा अगर आपको कोई सपोर्ट रिलेटेड क्वेरी भी आता है तो वी इंश्योर दैट एनी क्वेरी दैट कम्स टू अस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द सपोर्ट, एनी टेक्निकल क्वेरी और एनीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इज आल्सो बीइंग एड्रेस्ड विद इन 6 बिजनेस आवर्स ऑफ टाइम. सो रेस्ट अश्योर्ड, चाहे आपका प्रिपरेशन वाला पार्ट हो, चाहे आपका सपोर्ट वाला पार्ट हो, all of that is going to be taken care of by us, and you can expect us to be there with you 100% of the times in this particular journey. However, at the same time, there are certain expectations that we have from you. We expect you to not consider this course to be something जिसमें आपकी बहुत hand holding होएगी या फिर बहुत spoon feeding होएगी. If we have to understand this with an analogy, अगर आप किसी भी sports के लिए practice करते हैं, let's say for example आप basketball सीख रहे हैं, cricket सीख रहे हैं, cycling सीख रहे हैं, you can expect your coach to be there to guide you. You can expect your coach to tell you कि आपका proper stance क्या होना चाहिए, technique क्या होनी चाहिए, bat आपको कैसे hold करना है, run up कैसे लेना है, वो सारी चीजें आपका coach आपको जरूर बताएगा, but the coach cannot play that particular sport on your behalf. That ultimately is something जो आपको खुद करना पड़ेगा. Practice भी ultimately is something जो आपको खुद करनी पड़ेगी. Our course is not a one-to-one course, it is a one-to-many course. In that case, we cannot really force you to show up every day. But if you do, what you can expect from us is that we will make sure that your preparation is being done in the most efficient manner possible. Based on the data of last 5 years, what we have observed is that students who spend more than 600 hours on our platform, 1 in 2 of those students actually end up in one of these IIMs. So if in case you feel like you're somebody who is going to be consistent, who is going to show up every day and is going to make sure you're spending all that time in the next 1 year, then this course might be the right fit for you. Of course, इतनी सारी चीजें हमारे कोर्स के अंदर ही हैं, उसकी वजह से we will have a proper planner available, जिसमें we will be instructing you what to do when. Exactly हर दिन आपको कौन सी बुक खोलनी है, कौन सा लेक्चर खोलना है, कौन सी लाइव क्लास है, कहाँ से प्रैक्टिस करना है, is going to be instructed by us. आपके तीनों मॉड्यूल्स विच इज क्वांट्स, वर्बल, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग कवर होएगा फॉर ऑल दीज एग्जामिनेशंस। साथ में हम आपका टुवर्ड्स द लेटर हाफ ऑफ द सेशन वी विल आल्सो स्टार्ट विद योर जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स क्लास, बिकॉज इन सम कॉलेजेस, इन सम एंट्रेंसेस दिस माइट बी रिक्वायर्ड एज अ सेक्शन, एंड अदर देन दैट इवन इन योर इंटरव्यूज जीके और करंट अफेयर्स इज समथिंग दैट दे यूजुअली आस्क, सो उस चीज की भी प्रिपरेशन हम कराएंगे। एट द सेम टाइम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरव्यूज, हमारा प्रिपरेशन का एफर्ट जितना भी डलता है इट इज नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू जस्ट योर एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन। उसके बाद जब आपके इंटरव्यूज होते हैं वी आर गोइंग टू बी देयर टू सपोर्ट यू फॉर दैट एज वेल, चाहे बी इट इन द फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्कशॉप सेशंस दैट वी टेक, द मेंटर कनेक्ट सेशंस दैट वी कीप विद द सीनियर्स फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज जिसका आपका इंटरव्यू होने वाला है, जिस भी IIM का, एंड एट द सेम टाइम टेकिंग योर मॉक इंटरव्यूज एज वेल। All of that is going to be taken care of by us. You can expect that anything and everything which is required for you to clear this examination is going to be a part of this course, which starts from 15th of March, both in online as well as offline format. If in case you are interested, you can enroll right now using the promo code EARLYBIRD to get an additional discount of 3,000 on top of our course pricings, which you can check on our website. But before purchasing this course, I would really advise you to book a free counseling session with us from the link given down in the description. That counseling session will help you understand what IPMAT is all about. आपको हमारे कोर्स के बारे में नहीं जानना है तो भी you just want to get an overview of what IPMAT is all about, the career option, the career prospects, you can definitely book that call, understand all of that. आपको कोर्स के बारे में पूछना है, we would be more than happy to assist you with that as well. Please understand our offerings or the different offerings that are also available in the market. See what fits, what does not. Check our demo lectures, see if you are able to vibe well with our teachers, and if you do decide to take the course, I'll see you on the other side. Until then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and let's Ace IPM with Ace IPM. Thank you.
ला 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 ला।
कि आपके हाथों में IIM जाने का योग तो है।
रोग हो गया सर।